Hello everyone, welcome back to the Savage Scripts. I hope you all are doing good. So today we'll discuss about one of the most important topic in Java, that is strings. What is string in Java? So basically, as we already discussed about data types, so we have two types of data types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So string we consider as a non-primitive data type. Now let's discuss about what is string. String is the Java one of the most commonly used data type. It represents a sequence of characters like words, sentence, or even a single character letter. It comes into the string. Now, in Java, string is an object that holds sequence of characters. For example, as you can see here, we have a string as a data type and the name as a variable, and we are holding a word, Safari scripts. So this is an object that holds a sequence of character. So as we already know, string is a class, not a data type. Like integer, float, or double, string is a class. So class always hold the data by using objects. Here, as you can see here, we have a string data type. Actually, is a class. It's not a like primitive data type. And Apache descripts a string literal text inside double quotes. So string always in the Java, string always represent in under the double quotes like this. Whatever you have written in the Java in double quotes, it's by default taken care as a string. Now let's discuss about main and the most important concept of string. So basically, string in Java are immutable. Immutable means if you have created any string data string variable with some value that you cannot change at runtime. For example, if you created this at compile time, like name is equal to the first script, and now on the runtime, if you wanted to add, like suppose name dot append, if you want to append something, it will not work because strings are immutable. They cannot be changed. Now, why strings are immutable? Let's discuss few topics. So basically, due to immutability, you can have multiple good things. Security, use password and urls. For example, if you wanted to write a password that anyone cannot update at the runtime, that means your password is secure. And the same thing with the url cannot be changed. Thread safety means if you are running a same program in a parallel with multiple executions, then this will not be update during the runtime. Like always, the value always remains same. Memory optimization, this is the most and best important part about this thing: memory optimization. So basically, how string is works: string create a string pool in the heap memory. With the help of that, it will optimize the memory. We'll discuss this in example how we are going to optimize a memory by using string. And the caching of hash code means it is easy to cache the data, like cache the data, accessing the data by using hash code. Now we have discussed why it's immutable and how it's what will you achieve by using a string. So now here you can see we have created a string hello. Okay, string str hello, but I wanted to change this in the next line, string dot concat world. So in this case, because we already know strings are immutable, we cannot add this world after the hello. So if you're going to print this, you will have the output hello only, not hello world, because world will not add because strings are immutable. So this is the concept of immutability, like you cannot update anything. Now we have few things how we are going to create a string in Java. So first, creating a string in Java by normal using string literal, like string s1 and any value using new keyword. As we know, string is a class and string always take a data as a in object form. So here string s2 equal new string class object, and we are passing the value here. This is the another way. And the last and third way is not last, but as third way is using character array. By using character array as well, you can have new love. You have a character array. When array you are passing by character, then in string s3, what you are doing, you are just converting this character array into normal string. That's how you can initialize or create a strings in Java. So let this is a completely about theoretical. Let's discuss in examples. So I have created one class. Let me create public static void main string. This is a main method that I have created. Now, so from the first type, normal string s1 equal hello. This is the first way. First way to create. Let me comment it out. Now, if you're going to print this, you will get s1 as a hello. Now, another way is by creating new object. String s2 equal to new string, then pass in the value word. So now let me s out s2 as well. So this is the s2. And the another way we can create a string by using character array. So let me create a char array like this, ch equal to, let me initialize directly. Okay, because this is character array, then that's why you need to take a single character, single quotes. H, E, L, then O. And let me add this as well because it will create a uniqueness from S1. Now S out, or before S out, we need to create this character array to string. So string S3 equal new string, and we have just passed ch. It will automatically convert it string to array to string. Now S out S3 S3. Now let me execute this. So this is the first way, and this is the second way. Okay, and this is the third way. Third way. Now you can see the output here. Hello from the S1, world from the S2, and the hello with exclamation mark is S3. That means you can create a string with multiple types. Now we have discussed one thing, that is string is immutable. Now as we have already created a string hello, and if I wanted to add something, let me concat world here, world, and then if I print again the S1, then you can see the output. Let me differentiate first with this. Now, if I execute this, then you will see what is the exact difference. You will see here. Output is hello only because this will not work due to immutability. String are immutable. That's why it is not append. Okay. This is all about concept of strings, how string works, how string we can create a string, and how we can identify a string as immutable. So this is all about string thing. We have one another and most important topic about interview ask. Why string use instead of equals dot equals? This will we will learn in next video, and also we'll learn next video about memory optimization. So this is will cover in next video. So this is all about the basic string stuff, how string works, how we can create a string, or what is the string. So this is all about this. If you have anything, any doubt, please comment, and please subscribe to have more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a great day.